If secant theta equals to x positive 1 over 4x, 0 degree less than theta less than 90 degrees, then secant theta positive tangent theta equals to. Okay, in this problem, we have to find the stuff that is equal to this expression secant theta positive tangent theta. We have stuff for secant theta, that is x positive 1 over 4x. We have to get the stuff for tangent theta. Once we get the stuff for tangent theta, we'll be able to get the stuff that is equal to secant theta positive tangent theta. Okay, now to get the stuff that is equal to tangent theta, I'm going to use one identity in trigonometry and two identities in algebra. So in trigonometry, I'm going to use one of the Pythagorean identities, that is secant theta equals to 1 positive tangent square theta, and two identities in algebra. The first one is the expansion of the square of a binomial, that is a positive b whole square equals to a square positive 2ab positive b square. And the other identity is a negative b the whole square. Its expansion is a square negative 2ab positive b square. Okay, now let me consider the equation we have over here, that is secant theta equals to x positive 1 over 4x. Now I'm going to square both sides of this equation. Then we have secant theta whole square on the left side. On the right side, we have x positive 1 over 4x whole square. This secant theta whole square can be written as secant square theta. We can use this particular identity to get the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. When I compare this one and this one, at the place of a we have x, at the place of b we have 1 over 4x. So now in this expansion, we have to plug in x for a and 1 over 4x for b. Okay, let me do it. Then we have x square positive 2 times x times 1 over 4x positive 1 over 4x the whole square. Okay, here for secant square theta, we can write 1 positive tangent square theta according to the Pythagorean identity we have over here. Okay, let me write a 1 positive tangent square theta for this secant square theta on the left side. We can write x square positive. Now let's simplify this stuff. Let me do it separately. That is 2 times x times 1 over 4x. Here this x will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. Okay, the simplification of this one is 1 over 2. Okay, let me plug in. So the simplification of this stuff is 1 over 2 positive 1 over 4x the whole square. My aim is to find the stuff for tangent theta. So we have to solve for tangent theta in this equation. Let's isolate this tangent theta. To get this positive 1, we have to subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. Okay, then I'm getting tangent square theta on the left side. On the right side, we have x square positive 1 over 2 positive 1 over 4x the whole square negative 1. I subtracted 1 from both sides of this equation. Okay, then we have tangent square theta equals to x square. When I combine this positive 1 over 2 and negative 1, I am getting negative 1 over 2 positive 1 over 4x the whole square. Okay, tangent square theta equals to x square negative. Already we know that the simplification of this stuff, that is 2 times x times 1 over 4x equals to 1 over 2. So for this 1 over 2, we can take this stuff, that is 2 times x times 1 over 4x positive 1 over 4x the whole square. When I simplify this one, that is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, let me continue over here. Now this tangent square theta on the left side can be written as tangent theta the whole square. Okay, let's consider the trinomial we have over here. It is exactly in the form a square negative 2ab positive b square. At the place of a, we have x. At the place of b, we have 1 over 4x in this trinomial. So this trinomial can be written as a square of a binomial, like a negative b the whole square. At the place of a, we have to write x. At the place of b, we have to write 1 over 4x. That is x negative 1 over 4x the whole square. Now, two powers are equal with the same exponent 2. Whenever two powers are equal with the same exponent, we can equate the bases. Then we have tangent theta equals to x negative 1 over 4x. Now I got the stuff that is equal to tangent theta. Okay, now let's get the stuff that is equal to secant theta positive tangent theta. Okay, let me write the stuff. Secant theta positive tangent theta equals to, already we have the stuff for secant theta, that is x positive 1 over 4x. Let me plug in x positive 1 over 4x for secant theta. For tangent theta, we have the stuff x negative 1 over 4x. Here this positive 1 over 4x, negative 1 over 4x will cancel out. When I combine this x and x, I am getting 2x. Here I got the stuff that is equal to secant theta positive tangent theta, that is 2x. I find 2x in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.